Good day, everyone. This is laboratory exercise number 2. Build a bar without a bar. I've set up my workstation following the 10-item rule using only household materials. I demonstrate 2 rounds baseline and redesign to show workflow improvements. Round 1. But first, let me show you the materials that I will use. Plate for serving area for the guests, and some for mixer, and tongue for ice, and a glass, and some garnish, our main liquid, and mixing liquid and ice and the bowl, and for the waste. And we also have towel and weighing scale to measure our ingredients. Let's start to make our drink. First, let me put ice. Second, let's put our main liquid. Next is our mixing liquid. Then add some garnish. Then now let's serve to the guests. Next, let me show you the second round, which is I will fix my workstation first. Then round 2, I redesigned my layout, and I also followed the 3 zones and Rogers two-step rule. High frequency tools are now within easy reach, no turning back, no looking down, and now I'll perform the round 2. First, retrieve the glass and add our main liquid. No, sorry, I will add the ice first. Then put our main liquid. Then our mixing liquid. Then last, add our garnishes. And now let it serve to the guests. Notice all movements are fluid, cross-body reaches are done, and I retrieve every item by approximately alone. That complete both rounds, that is the redesign and cut unnecessary steps, eliminated awkward reaches, and keep all items within easy reach, safer, cleaner, and much faster to serve properly to the guests.